Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can build landing page using AI Builder and set for Astra starter templates. Now let me scroll down and I want to install this one. Now let's activate, and now here you can see different page builders: Elementor, block editor and AI website builder. So you can select this one, AI website builder, then click on build with AI. Now you can give name, for example medical landing page. Then you can select category. So let me select this one, then click on next, and again you can type here medical landing page, then click on improve using AI. So now we have all of the description, then click on next button. Now you can add your details, then click on skip step, and from here you can select some of the images from here. So let me scroll down. Okay, I have selected few images, then click on next button. Now you can select the page builder. Let me select Elementor, and here you will get multiple layouts, so you can preview one by one and then you can select one of the layout, and you will also get premium layouts here. So for example, I want to go with this one. Simply you can click here and then scroll down, click on continue button, then you can select these page builders and different plugins, then click on start building, and also you can skip and click on start building. So now you can create a zip WP account. So this one is free. Okay, now that's connected. So now you can simply click on continue button and then proceed to next step, then click on skip and start building, confirm and proceed. And now it will take few seconds. After that, landing page will be completely ready. Okay, landing page is ready, so now we can visit website. And guys, here you can see it's working fine. So we have all of the content with text and images, and now if you want to edit any of the text from here, then you can simply right click, edit with Elementor.